Hello, Wildcats. This is Miss Ivy here for Monday's Marvelous Book Talk. So today it's going to be a little bit different. I wanted to remind you that all of your books are going to be due May 14th. So if you are not actively reading it, then you need to go ahead and turn that in. If you're not really sure where your book is, now's the time to start looking for it. Remember, you can log in to Destiny Discover up here in the right-hand corner with your ID number, and then go over here to these three lines and click on checkouts, and it'll show you what you have checked out. Also, make sure that you click on fines to see if you owe any fines from previous elementary schools or lost books or anything like that. There will be a book drop in the hallway. Okay, so with all of the testing days, the library might not be open, but if you're just going to return a book, you can just drop that in the book return in the hallway. Also wanted to remind you that you do still have access to reading books. So remember, when you're logged into Destiny Discover, if you scroll down and look at all of our ebooks, all of these are books that can be checked out, downloaded to your device, and you can read them on your device. So you can kind of scroll over to see like our most recent ones, but I would encourage you to click See All, and then it'll open up all of the ebooks that we have, and then you just filter through those over here using your filter options, or you could scroll through all of those. So make sure that you look to see if it's checked in or checked out. Make sure that you're logged in so that you will see this checkout option. If you have any questions about how ebooks work, you can send me a message in Canvas. So make sure you get those books turned in so we don't have anything hanging over us at the end of the year. So this is Miss Ivy coming at you from your Wayside Library.